In this video, we're going to take a look at finding the equation of a tangent line. All right, so we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals 4 minus the natural log of 3x plus 4 at the point negative 1, 4. And we want to write our answer in the slope-intercept form of the line, y equals mx plus b. So the very first thing that we would need to do is to find the derivative at negative 1, right? So at this point right here, at that x value. So, all right, so our function is f of x equals 4 minus natural log of 3x plus 4. So to take the derivative of this function, we are going to first use the difference rule, right, to take the derivative of 4, then subtract off the derivative of natural log of 3x plus 4. Okay, so the derivative of 4 is just 0. Then we're going to subtract. Then the derivative of natural log of 3x plus 4, that's a chain rule problem, right? Where the inside is 3x plus 4 and the outside is natural log of x. So use the 3 steps of the chain rule. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x, right? So the derivative of ln of 3x plus 4, the first 2 steps of the chain rule, that will be 1 over 3x plus 4. So I'd leave the inside part alone here. So that's the first 2 steps of the chain rule. Then the third step of the chain rule is to multiply by the derivative of the inside part. The inside part here is 3x plus 4, and its derivative is 3. Okay, so that's what the derivative looks like. And just to clean that up a little bit, that's what we get. Okay. Now we want to, now that we have the derivative, we want to plug in the first coordinate here, the negative 1, into the derivative, and that will give us the slope on the of the tangent line to the graph at the point negative 1, 4. And if you simplify that out, you get negative 3. So now that we know at the point negative 1, 4, the slope of the tangent line is negative 3. Okay. So now we're ready to go to our equation for the tangent line. Okay, and we know that f of a, that's the second coordinate of the point that we were given, that's 4. The first coordinate is negative 1. And we know that the slope, that's the derivative, right, is negative 3. And so now we just need to simplify this and put it in slope-intercept form. All right, so the very first thing that I would do is add the opposite in here. Subtracting a negative is just like adding the opposite. And then distribute the negative 3 through the parentheses there using the distributive property. Okay, and then finally isolate y by adding 4 to both sides. When we do that, we get y is equal to negative 3x plus 1. Okay, so that's the equation for the tangent line. Let's take a look at the graph and just verify that. So here's our function, 4 minus the natural log of 3x plus 4. Okay, and here's our tangent line, y equals minus 3x plus 1. There's the point, negative 1, negative 1, 4, right? And the tangent line should just come in here and skim right through there, which it does. Okay, so that's the equation of the tangent line at the point.